Friends, today we will discuss the photochemical smog. The photochemical smog is a chemical reaction of sunlight, nitrogen oxides, and volatile organic compounds in the atmosphere, which leaves the airborne particles and ground level ozone. Photochemical smog depends on primary pollutants as well as the formation of secondary pollutants. The primary pollutants include nitrogen oxides, particularly nitrogen oxide and nitrogen dioxide, and volatile organic compounds. Relevant secondary pollutants include peroxyacyl nitrates, troposphoric ozone, and aldehyde. In all these, ozone is the important secondary pollutant for photochemical smog, which is formed when hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides combine in the presence of sunlight. Nitrogen dioxide, which is formed as nitric oxide, combines with oxygen in the air. In addition, when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are emitted, they eventually are oxidized in the troposphere to nitric acid and sulfuric acid, which when mixed with water forms the main component of acid rain. All of these harsh chemicals, which are usually highly reactive and oxidize air. Photochemical smog is therefore considered to be a problem of modern industrialization. It is present in all modern cities, but it is more common in cities with sunny, warm, dry climates and a large number of motor vehicles. Because it travels with wind, it affects the sparsely populated areas as well. Now the reactions. During the morning rush hours, a high concentration of hydrocarbons, nitric oxide, released into the atmosphere, mostly via on-road traffic, but also from industrial sources. Some hydrocarbons are rapidly oxidized by OH or hydroxyl group and forms peroxy radical, which convert nitric oxide to nitrogen dioxide, and nitric oxide further react with ozone in a series of chemical reactions. This series of equations referred to as photostationary state. Now, the formation of secondary pollutant. Number 1. The nitrogen monoxide is a primary pollutant which is formed by the combination of nitrogen and oxygen at high temperature in the internal combustion engine. Number 2. A secondary pollutant, nitrogen dioxide, is formed by the oxidation of nitrogen monoxide with oxygen. Number 3. In the presence of sunlight or UV radiations, the nitrogen dioxide is broken up to form oxygen radicals. Number 4. These radicals react with oxygen to form ozone. Number 5. They also react with water to form hydroxyl radicals. Number 6. Aldehydes are also produced by the reaction of free radicals with oxygen. Number 7. Nitric acid is produced when hydroxyl radical react with nitrogen dioxide. Number 8. Peroxyacyl nitrate, that is PAN, is a secondary pollutant that causes a respiratory problem, which is produced by the reaction of peroxide radical with nitrogen dioxide. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe this video.